Today, I'm going to help you choose the right TradingView plan by breaking down each subscription in a clear and honest way. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which plan fits your trading style and which ones you can avoid. And if you do decide to upgrade, you can use the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Let us start with the first plan, which is called Essential. Essential is the starting point for paid TradingView users, and it removes most of the limits you get with the free version. You get 2 charts on one screen, which helps a lot for basic multi-time frame analysis. You can add up to 5 indicators on a single chart, which is a big upgrade from the free plan. You also get access to deeper historical data, which makes your charting smoother and more reliable. Essential also gives you around 20 alerts, so you can set notifications for price movements or indicator conditions. On top of that, you get no ads and a cleaner layout. Essential is ideal if you are new to trading or if you only need the basics without your charts feeling cluttered or restricted. Now we move into the Plus plan. The Plus plan gives you noticeably more freedom. You can now use 4 charts on one screen, which helps if you trade multiple time frames or want to watch different markets at the same time. You can add up to 10 indicators per chart, which makes more advanced strategies possible. You also get more alerts, so you do not have to constantly delete old ones when you want to track new opportunities. Plus, also comes with unlimited watch lists and better tools for managing your charts. This plan is great if you trade several instruments and you want more flexibility than Essential offers. It is a solid upgrade, but it still does not unlock the most advanced features of TradingView. Now let us talk about the Premium plan. This is TradingView's best value plan for most serious traders. Premium unlocks almost everything you could ever need. You get 8 charts on a single screen, which is perfect for day traders and for tracking multiple setups at once. You can add up to 25 indicators on each chart, which means you will never run out of space for your strategy. You also get much deeper historical data, which helps you backtest and study long-term market behavior. Premium also gives you hundreds of alerts, including server-side alerts, which are faster and more reliable. You get access to advanced time frames, such as second-based intervals and tick-based charts. You also unlock special tools like volume-based charting methods and invite-only scripts. If you trade actively, or if you rely heavily on alerts and indicators, Premium is the plan that gives you serious power at a surprisingly low monthly cost compared to the lower plans. For most traders, this is the plan that removes all the frustration and gives you complete freedom. Finally, we move to the Ultimate plan. Ultimate is designed for professional traders, prop firm traders, and anyone who needs the absolute maximum performance. You get 16 charts on one screen, which is perfect for multi-monitor setups. You can add 50 indicators per chart, which is far more than most people will ever need. You get the deepest historical data available, which helps with advanced strategy testing. You also get the highest number of alerts, which is ideal if you monitor dozens of markets or automate parts of your trading. Ultimate includes every advanced tool TradingView offers, including the fastest performance and the most powerful charting options. This plan is meant for traders who treat TradingView as part of their full-time workflow and need unlimited flexibility. Now let me summarize everything in a simple and clear way. If you are a beginner or you only want to remove basic restrictions, go for Essential. If you want more indicators, more alerts, and more screens, at once go for Plus. If you are a serious trader who wants everything unlocked and wants the best value for money, choose Premium. And if you are a professional or you work with multiple monitors and advanced strategies, Ultimate is the plan built for you. Whichever plan you choose, you can use the link in the description to support the channel. It helps me keep creating these tutorials, and it does not cost you anything extra. If you want more TradingView guides and platform breakdowns, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.